year 8. Nice to see you. So I thought I would show you how to make something out of recycled material that would be nice in your garden. So here's my party trick. So you get a milk bottle, you wash it out, you make a hole at the bottom. So I'm just going to squish it to be able to get a wee slice in. Just be careful doing this bit. You cut off the bottom bit. Okay, so you've got it like this. Then you cut up the middle, hold it by the handle, not the whole way, just to about here, about 2 or 3 centimeters from the top ridge. And then you cut a triangle just to the, see there, just to the top. Okay, then you turn it on its side and you cut a triangle out. Okay, both sides. Now here's the fun bit. You push this little triangle you've cut through to make the beak. Okay, and then you fold out these wings. Ta-da! Okay. Maybe make the beak a wee bit longer. Do you get the idea? So then you can decorate it. You can cut out the actual shape a wee bit more if you want to, you know, to make it more like the Mark Harold birds that we were looking at. Okay. Or you can cut out the tail as well. Make it a wee bit more like feathers. Do this side as well. We have the seagulls in the background here. Okay, now this can hang in your garden. You put, make a wee hole in it, or I'm going to use a puncture, and then you can thread it. So I hope you're all having a nice time in the sun. It's lovely to hear from some of you, and lovely that you're being creative. There's nothing I like more than coming out here and making some art. It cheers me up sometimes when I'm feeling a bit fed up. I'm not quite sure how to string this up, but can't remember the time I've done it before. But anyway, if you hang it on the wings, oh, let's see. Hope you're being a good help as well at home. So that will hang up. Oh, oop. Oops. Outtakes. Don't have time for outtakes. So. And that you can just decorate that and stuff, you know, you could draw on eyes and colour in its beak, put in whatever, feathers and stuff, whatever you want to do. If you've got Sharpies, they're brilliant for it. So I hope you enjoy doing it, okay? See you soon, bye!